All right, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, YouTube? So today, of course, in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, and going to be working on a very large project, is what you see right behind me. It is another 53-foot 9,100-gallon tanker. Actually, this is a 10,000-gallon tanker, and going to be doing a polish job on it. And as you can see, it had decals on here, which the client had removed. And of course, we don't remove any kind of decal stickers. That's just something that we do not do, but we'll be polishing this tanker out. And as you can see, it's in fairly great condition. It can be polished, and it will turn out amazing. It will turn out beautiful, y'all. So, letting y'all see the entire walk around here. It does look like there is some glue residue up at the top. I'm gonna work that out, see what we could do. Today, going to be starting on it, and then tomorrow I'm going to have the team out here, and it's going to be a group effort. So it's going to be a group effort project. So this is before. I'm gonna give y'all a full walk around, let y'all see it up close, but I'm kind of backing off of it right now to let you see the entire thing from far off. That way you can have an appreciation of the finished product once we get there. So the ways off, it's going to turn out gorgeous. It's going to turn out pretty. So temperature out here today is about 85. Oh, it's going to turn out amazing. So at least it's not raining. Do have some cloud cover. It looks like it's going to rain, but it's really not. So give me just a few seconds. I'll see y'all back here in just 1 second, but I have to unload all this stuff and get the scaffolding set up and everything else. So see you in just a moment. All right, so YouTube out here, and been working today, and since the decal place that they normally use had no idea how to strip this glue off, I've actually been stripping it today, and going to continue stripping and then polishing, and that's what we've been doing. So check that out. This is what has been done. This is what has not been done. But let me set up the camera. I'll let you see what a time lapse looks like, and keep on rocking and rolling.
Yeah, boy.
Hey y'all, so we're on day 3. We actually wound up taking off the little bit of adhesive that was left on this tanker, but since the decals were on for so long, something to be aware of is that the vinyl does leach into the aluminum, so you do have some staining and a little bit of leftover from the actual decals. That's something to keep in mind if you plan on putting anything on, anything metal that's out in the sun. If you're planning on putting any kind of decal on anything, it will leach into it. So it will leach into metal. I don't care if it's stainless steel, aluminum especially. So that's just something to be aware of. But as you can see, it did turn out beautiful. Not done yet. Got a lot of stuff to do. Going to be taking care of this pipe here, and going to be taking care of the pipe. Also going to be polishing out these doors here for them tonight. You can go ahead and knock that out, and yeah, so we're going to be also hitting the top. Remember, a tippy top up there is about an area that's about yay big, about, I would say about that much, up at the very tippy top up to the top rail, and it's going to hit that, but continuing to rock this thing out and continuing to work on it. So it is cooler right now. It was about 95, 96 degrees today. And right now it's got to be, what do you think, 90? Yeah. It had to drop down now to about 90 degrees. So doesn't seem like a big difference, but trust me, it is. And plus the sun is gone bye-bye. So, which is good. And we got a little bit of clouds. So but anyway, we'll see you in just a little bit. Let's go ahead and continue working. Let's go. All right, everybody, so just wrapped up with this 53-foot tanker, and turned out absolutely amazing. Turned out exquisite, and as you can see, sun shining, and looks beautiful. So probably what I'm going to show you is wound up doing the cabinets, and also the cabinet over here. Made that into a metal mirror, as you can see, and also took care of the entire tank. 2, 3, 4, 1. It is very hot out here. It's about 98 degrees today, but it's the final day, and I would say that it turned out pretty amazing. Give me just 1 sec. I'm going to give you a 360. Let's go.